watch from the shadows while you dance in the sunlight. I love you for centuries. Now you return to me. But you belong dancing with the sun. Flowers underneath the brilliant sky, underneath the light of the sun. I belong in the dark, underneath the moonlight, feelings that I've forgotten are reborn in my heart like an embers, spark into a bonfire of love and passion. I must have you by my side. You can dance underneath the moonlight with me for eternity. I know loving you, it's wrong, but I will curse the world just to see you again. Your piercing blue eyes, your lovely smile, they light up the whole world. Your slight giggle brings me joy. I know if you will be with me, I shall suffer no more. Take my hand, I'll take you through